One's flying high today, guys. In this beautiful 2013 Audi S4, as you guys can see, we're gonna put a full AWE system, cat back, and we're gonna take these two resonators out and add two vibrant resonators in their place. Here's the part number 1790. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like before we do anything to it. We're gonna start it up, let you guys hear what it sounds like before. But here it is, 2013 S4 Audi. So cats are up there on the manifold. There's the downpipes, two resonators there. They are not cats, they are resonators. Remember that. So we're gonna replace them with two vibrants. Then take the rest of that whole system off and mid resonator, the two mufflers there, and replace it with this sexy old stainless steel AWE system with an upgraded X pipe, mid resonator, mid pipes, two mufflers, and sexy tips out the back right there. And I was mad. I thought, do they not put lollipops in these things anymore? They were before. I don't know why they're not doing it, but here it is. All right, go ahead and start it, man. As you guys can see, it's very, very quiet for a sports car. Too quiet for my liking. Give me a guess. It is upgraded pretty good. Again. Here's sound decibels on it. Again. Right at 85. One more. You guys were wondering on that. There's the boxes for it. Here's the part number on the AWE system. There'll be a link in the description for it. If we can find it, full catback system. That's the boxing. That's the exhaust right there, the tips. All right, guys, stay tuned. 2013 Audi S4 Quattro. And if you didn't know, here it is right here. It says it in big, bold letters. It's huge. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. Like I was telling you, I showed you guys what it looked like before. All nasty and ugly. Still got the downpipes, stock. Right there, you can see. Then we put two sexy, vibrant resonators. They're the 2.5 inch in, 2.5 inch out. Then we reuse their clamps right there from Audi, because that's how this kit comes. And then it's an AWE catback with X pipe. So there's the X pipe. If you guys can't see it, it's right there. There's the resonator, AWE, nicely branded. The performance unlocked, serial number and all that good stuff right there. Resonator. Then it goes out the back on each side, there and there. Two 180 technology by AWE mufflers there, and their anti-drone technology. They call it the 180 technology there and there. And the tips that they had did not fit. So because he has a custom rear valence that sticks out a lot more, and the tips that were on it did not fit because they're way shoved in. So we had to sell them a set of tips by Natami black chrome, and they were too big too, the tips by AWE. So we took them off and replaced it with our own tips, set of tips right there. This is what was on it, the two factory resonators. And if you guys think they're cats, they are not. They are resonators. See, they're straight through. Then another set of resonators there, and then there's the two mufflers and two tips out the back right there. So out with this old system, in with a sexy AWE system. There's the old box. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Go ahead, bro. Audi S4. It's the cold start. It is very, very quiet, surprisingly. Wow. Sound decibels not even in the 70s. Go ahead, give it gas. That's not bad. It's not loud enough for me. But it's more exotic sound. It is sounds of more of a German car. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. 105 at peak. Okay. I'm not too impressed, unfortunately. I was thinking it's gonna be a lot louder. They didn't put that like wow factor into it, you know? Like that. See? You can hear the supercharger more than the exhaust. Do it again. Looks good now. At least we can give it that. Better than that. It needs more tone. He's gonna put downpipes on it too. We don't install cabless downpipes, against the law. What do you guys think of the tone? Does it need to be louder, or is this good? Let me know in the comments, guys. Again? And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Come and holler at us if you guys ever need anything, or give us a call. Again, for any advice, we'd love to help you guys out. Let you hear it on the inside. Here's the engine, guys. Look at that. Go ahead. That sound never gets old. Woo. I think it'll open up when he puts the downpipes. And he's got a tune coming for it too, guys. So it's still in the building stages. Again. I like it. All right. That sounds good. I like it. On takeoff, it sounds a lot better. And check out the mom. She drives the GLC 63. So she's got a fat car too, guys. AMG. So I'm going to record her driving off too. Show me what this thing can do. Get you guys a double drive off. Audi and Mercedes. Bi-turbo V8. Ah, she's setting it up. Yeah, she opened it up. I like it. That's a badass car too, guys. Wow. I told you, she's a cool mom, guys. Everybody, always appreciate your moms. Always love your moms. Because nobody will love you like your mom will. Have a good one, guys.